Throughout Steve's life, we've always known when he was happy or sad. But since he has met you, Lauren, I know he is the happiest we have ever seen him. Since you both met 10 years ago, you have achieved so much in that amount of time. We are so very proud of all of you, and we know your journey of life together will be very special. And we wish you all the very best for today and every day.
Stephen and Lauren wish to marry. For in each other's company they have found fulfilment and love. As a consequence of this love, they have drawn closer to each other and now wish to affirm publicly their relationship and to offer each other the security that comes from vows sincerely made and faithfully kept. Do you, Stephen, take Lauren, here present, to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
And do you, Lauren, take Stephen, here present, to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
First of all, I would just like to say a massive congratulations to the most beautiful bride and groom, and I wish you both a lifetime of happiness. Lauren is not only my sister, she is my best friend. You have definitely found the most perfect man to marry, and I couldn't wish for a better brother-in-law than Steve.
Lauren, I promise to love you always, to be true to you alone, to share happiness and sorrow, to honour you and show respect at all times, to care for you always, to keep our love and friendship as it is today. Please share my hopes and dreams always.
Stephen, I promise to love you always, to be true to you alone, to honour you and to show respect at all times, to care for you always, and to keep our love and friendship as it is today. Please share my hopes and dreams always.
I was so proud the day Lauren asked me to walk her down the aisle, and it makes me dead proud watching my daughter marry the love of her life, and I'm filling up. They're an amazing couple, and I wish them both a lifetime of fun, laughter and love.
Stephen and Lauren, you have both made the declarations prescribed by law, and you have made a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of your witnesses, your family, and all of your friends gathered here this afternoon. It is my very great privilege and pleasure to tell you that you are now lawfully married, husband and wife, and you may seal that marriage with a kiss.
Thank you all for coming to celebrate our wedding day. We really appreciate it and so glad you're all here. Also want to say a huge thank you from me and Remy to my wife and Mummy for basically just being you who keeps us right on a daily basis. Can everyone raise their glasses for the bride? To the bride! Cheers!